Hello students, welcome back to the Learning Loop channel. In the previous video, we have covered syllabus guide of sociology for the paper codes 2251 and 0495. And in today's video, we are going to give you a quick overview of paper 1, paper 2, the major components to qualify in this course. So in paper 1, there are 3 chapters included: research methods, identity, and inequality. The paper is for 2 hours and it carries 80 marks. In paper 1, students are required to attempt 2 structured questions, for which question number 1 is compulsory, and it comes from the chapter research methods. And for question number 2 and 3, you have a choice to make. You can either pick question 2 or you can pick 3. Depends on your interest, your preparation. In paper number 2, there are the other 3 chapters included: family, education, and crime. It carries 80 marks and it is for 1 hour 45 minutes. In this paper, again, students are required to attempt 2 questions from the given options. So this is how paper 1 looks like. This is a past paper from May, June 2024. On the first page, you will find the instructions, what questions and what sections you have to make a choice for, and the instructions. On the next page, you will find out section A, which is the compulsory question and comes from theory and method. Here you will get the source with the data, which will be required to answer the questions here. At the end of every question, you have the marks mentioned. So according to the marks, you have to reflect to your information, knowledge to answer these questions. On the next page, you will find section B, which comes from culture, identity, and socialization. Again, you will get the source here. At the end of the source, you will have relevant questions with the mentioned marks, and you have to answer all the given questions as per the marks. In section C, you have the source with the relevant questions, and it comes from social inequality. So this is how you have to prepare for paper number 1. These are the chapters mentioned in the curriculum. So this is paper number 2. May June session to 2024. Same instructions, information are given. On the next page, you will find out section A, that comes from family. A source will be given. At the end of the source, you will get the questions to answer. Section B comes from education. A source will be provided to answer the questions. Section C comes from crime, deviance, and social control. Source will be provided, and you have to attempt the questions as per the marks given at the end. Section D comes from media, and this is how the source is provided, and you will have to answer all the relevant questions. So I hope everything is clear about how many papers should be there and what topics you have to prepare for, what chapters will be part of your exam, and you can start preparing for the exam. Good luck for that. So here at the end of the video, I want to give you a quick study plan tip so you can begin with the preparation without being stressed. So my suggestion is to start your preparation from paper number 2, because the chapters included in paper number 2 are technically easy to deal with. If you will notice, family, education, both are the social agents, and they have greater influence and impact on individuals and the social groups. And one is the type of the informal education and one is the type of the formal education. So you can easily manage the material, the content given under these chapters. And if these 2 agencies fail to create any productive influence on the individual, then ultimately crime will be the outcome for it. So this is how you can link all of them. For paper number 1, if you will see, so all these 3 chapters are slightly different than from each other. So it will require more efforts, more dedication, and more research to have a good command over all these chapters. So this is it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do follow the upcoming videos. It is going to give you a clear and better understanding for the subject sociology for the paper code of 2251 and 0495. This is it for today. Have a good time. Bye-bye.